Meaning of highborn.
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 Highborn. The term highborn refers to someone who comes from a noble or aristocratic family. It implies that the person has a superior social status and is born into privilege and wealth. Being highborn often brings with it certain expectations and privileges, such as access to higher education, political influence, and connections to other powerful individuals. However, it can also be a source of responsibility and pressure, as one is expected to maintain their family's reputation and continue their legacy. Overall, being highborn is a reflection of one's ancestry and social position in society.